Hey, so I got the Pixel 4a. Let's unbox it. So right in front of me is the Pixel 4a made by Google, and just looking at the box, it looks exactly like the Pixel 4. I have the just black model, and it has the accented power button, and yeah, I mean, according to the box, it's supposed to be the successor for the Pixel 3a. So let's open it up. So here you got the little tape here, so it's easy to open. That was easy. And I'm gonna open it up. And pull that up. The accented power button. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the favorite part of an unboxing. Just looking at the phone, it looks exactly like the Pixel 4. I mean, it has a matte black finish right here. I'm gonna turn it on. And while it's turning on, I'm gonna check out the box. Here we go. Inside, we got the instruction manuals, setting up your new Pixel. Got the SIM card removal tool. It also has an eSIM inside built in. So that's easy. Here we got the USB-C charging cables. Also a USB-A to USB-C adapter. And finally, Google decided to add the 18-watt power adapter, which is super cool. This is quite rare to have such a powerful adapter to charge up your phone pretty quick. So that's what's in the box. And now, let's look at the phone. On the outside, it looks fairly similar to the Pixel 4. You got that single rear camera, a 12.2 wide-angle camera, and the fingerprint reader stays in the middle. On the side, you got that accented power button. At the bottom, you got the USB-C port. But at the top, you have a headphone jack. It's just quite weird because the Pixel 4 didn't come with a headphone jack. So in a way, this already seems like a big upgrade from the Pixel 4. And in the front, do you notice anything different? Yeah, the fat bezels that came with the Pixel 4. This time around, you lose all that. You're gonna get a full screen experience, and you get a hole punch selfie camera. And on top of that, you're getting a full Android 10 experience. This is a clean Google software, so there's no bloatware, there's nothing, that's gonna clog down the phone. This is a pure experience. You're also gonna get a new safety app, and the camera, you're also getting a portrait mode and night sight that came with the Pixel 4. So overall, you're getting a full Pixel experience. And on top of that, you're getting a bigger battery here. I mean, I feel like the Pixel 4a is competing against itself to the Pixel 4 rather than the other budget-friendly phones. Or maybe we're foreseeing the new Pixel 5. So there you have it, the Pixel 4a. Let me know what you think. I also like the fact that Google is giving you an 18-watt charger on top of all this. It's already feeling like a premium device. And make sure to check out our full review here on Cnet. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.